once again, this is Marco 3295, Mark Belangel. Welcome to my excelshop 2013 tutorial number 3. Please watch my first video and my second video. This is my video number 3. We're going to proceed to the sales page. My caser page, we're going to view is full page. Here we have our product here to sell. We have I make here a scroll down menu so we can choose the product. I also update the price. If I change the profit, so update. How to make a tables here like this one. I make a tutorial. First, we were going to make a data validation here. So press this cell here. Go to data validation, and then make a list, and then the source, all of our product list, name, okay. Now we have our two products here. Also update our market. How do I make it? I make a formula here. I'm using a VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP formula with double clicking. VLOOKUP, this is the lookup value, the soap, and then the table array is the product list, lookup table, and then numbers of column index number. Going to skip this one. First, we're going to highlight this, name it into product list, lookup table, press enter, and then this is our first column here, column index number. First column index number is the shampoo, number 1, and the number 2 is our market price. So we're going to back our cashier. Equals means in Excel's making a formula. Equals V lookup, and then click the V11 or the so, and then comma, and press F3. Here's our product here, product list lookup, then comma, call index number 1 is the product, number 2 is the price, so number 2, then 0, control enter. Now we have our updates, price. How to make the selling price? Make first the profit. I make a formula. I multiply the market price to my profit, and then divide into 100. If I change this into 10% profit, no, 10%, then we'll update. Also, in my but include, so I multiply the market price into my VAT percentage, and then divide into 100. If I change this into 12%, also update. And then the selling price also update when I change the unit sold. So I sold 3 shampoo, 5 shampoo, 54 shampoo, and then I sold 100 pieces of shampoo. Also update, because I make a formula here. I add my market price, my profit, but include, and then I multiply to this sales, the unit sold. I want all the information here, the product name, VAT include, unit price, if I press this button, we'll go here in the cart table. We're going to first clear this content. So now we're going to send the information into our cart, and then also make a list also here, making a record here to my sales. So this tutorial is tricky, so please be careful. I make this macro start because it's just listen again, just follow me. So we're going to make a macro, so just go to developer, record macro, cart to sales, cart to sales. Okay, going to copy first the product, hold down control, VAT include unit price and selling price, control C, going to home. Instead of control B, we're going to make a special paste. There's a special paste here, and then the value only because I don't want the product name. Data validations will copy here in my cart, so special paste values only. Click OK. Oops, multiple command cannot be used. Okay, sorry, because I have made a mistake here, so this is tricky. So we're going to stop first just like I said, it's tricky. Okay, I'm going to delete the macro here, add cart to sell, delete again, sorry. Going to record the macro and send to cart. Cart and sales. Yes. Going to replace. Again, hold down Control C, copy paste, copy. Going to B1, click the cells, B1. Hold down Control, arrow down, 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 down. Then click the use relative references. Jump to another cells. This is one to paste here. Special paste, values only. Okay. And then move here. Stop. Again, stop the relative references. After we stop, copy this one. Control C. Going to my cells here. Just click the sheets here. B1. Hold down Control and then arrow down, down. Use relative references. Jump to another cell. Home. Paste. Special paste. Values only. Okay. Jump here. Stop relative references. Back to cashier. Double click here and here. And stop recording. Going to assign a macro bottom. Send to cart. Okay. Now we're going to test our macro. Send. Okay. Look, we have our record cells here. Send. Also sends our cells here. If I clear all of this, clear the content, and then another person buy another soap, quantity of 10. send to my cart. This is the subtotal. And then record my sales. Here we have our sales. So this is my cashier. I have my updates of my sales here. Every time I send to my cart, also record my sales. Okay. And then what if I want to clear this one because it's hard for me to delete this. Go home, and then we're going to make a macro here, clearing all our information. Also have here a money changer here. So if I receive the money, the subtotal is 114.68. So I receive a 200 pesos. Press enter. I have the money change here. I have to change the person of 85.32 pesos. This is the change of 200 pesos minus the subtotal. So this is the formula. Money received minus the subtotal. Okay. We're going to make a button here. You go to developer, insert button here. Going to make a name here. Change the name. Going to change the name to clear my card. Enter. So we're going to make another macro. So a macro of cleaning all these tables here, the cart and money changer. So we're going to assign record macro. Click here, record macro. We're going to name clear cart. Clear cart. Clear all cart. Clear cart. Yes, okay. We're going to highlight this one. Control that. Hold down control and click the money receive. And then go to home. Clear content. Okay, and then click back here and then stop recording. Developer, stop recording. Assign macro. Click this, right click, assign macro. Where's the clear cart here? Yes, clear cart. Then we're going to input this one. Going to view in a full page. So send cart. Send cart. Clear my cart. Look, when I clear my cart, also my sales is not affected. So again, someone buy a shampoo, quantity 50, and then I send to cart. Then another shampoo, 100 pieces shampoo, send to cart. Look, my sales is increasing. So the subtotal is 988.20, and then she paid me a 1,000 peso. She gave me. Press enter. The change is 11.80. Then I want to change another customer again, so I clear my cart. So another customer buy again a shampoo, 50 pieces of shampoo, then send to cart. And then I sold again soap, 20 pieces of soap, and then send to cart. The subtotal is 465.43. She gave me 500 pesos. Enter. The change is 34.53. 57. Sorry. So, clear my cart. Again, my sales is increasing by selling our product here. If you want to see the sales, all your sales here is recorded. If we're going to clear all the we're going to make a backup here, so the sales back up, and we're going to make a backup here. So we make a you just copy paste and then just control C and then make another sheet. So this is the sales of the day, then control V. And if you want to make the sales, the total sales, just like it, hold down Alt, equals, enter. This is the total sales. If you want to make a date, just put a date here, 2013. Oops. Formatted date. This is only an example. My sales. We're going to make a macro here to clear my sales for this day, because tomorrow I'm going to use again this project for another sales. So we're going to make a macro here. Going to make a macro. Developer record macro clear sales. Clear. That's okay. Sorry, I forgot. There's no space in our name. Okay. Then we're going to highlight all of this. Hold on, Control Shift, arrow down. And then going to home. Clear content. Put. And then we're going to press here. And then stop recording. Okay. Going to assign macro. So clear sales. Okay. Clear sales, clear sales, clear sales. So if we're going to cashier, send a card, send to card, send to card, full view, send to card, another product again, send to card. We have the sales of 573. I don't know what's that. So this is our sales. Now then I have to record this, highlights, Control C, move to another sheet, rename it sales day 2. Then this is sales sales because I back up na. So already back up it. So I hope you learn my tutorial, simple tutorial of Excel Shop 2013. This is Marco 3395. Please watch my video 1 and 2. Thank you.